And tonight I'm alive in a dollar sign, guaranteed I can blow your mind.
Hey my loves, it's Lipa here. I just wanted to let you know that I've designed my first ever collection with Pepe Jeans. Fashion has always been another extension of myself and who I am, and I'm so excited to bring you this collection. I've made it almost with all my mates in mind. Daring and empowering. It's been very difficult to figure out my one favourite piece. I wanted it to be a clear representation of who I am and things that I've just kind of seen and been inspired by from the 90s. Dresses that just hang off the body, that are really fun and easy to wear, that feel like young and fresh.
And tonight I'm alive.